In this example, we'll be finding the square root of 46 by approximating it to the nearest tenth place value. To do this, we need to look at perfect squares nearby to 46. An example of this is 6 squared, which is 36, and 7 squared, which is 49. We can see that 46 lies between 36 and 49. So we can write the following inequality. 36 is less than 46, which is less than 49. Now we can take the square root of all of these values. Now we have the square root of 36 is less than the square root of 46, which is less than the square root of 49. We can then rewrite the square root of 36 as 6 because 6 squared is 36, and we can rewrite the square root of 49 as 7 because 7 squared is 49. Now we can see that the square root of 46 is between 6 and 7. However, 46 is closer to 49, so that means the square root of 46 will be closer to 7. So we can try out values like 6.8 squared and see how close we can get to 46. 6.8 squared is 6.8 times 6.8. 8 times 8 is 64, carry the 6. 6 times 8 is 48, plus 6 is 54. Add our 0. 6 times 8 is 48, carry the 4. And then 6 times 6 is 36, plus 4 is 40. When we add these values together, we end up getting 46.24, which is rounded to about 46. So we can then say that 6.8 squared is approximately 46. Now we can take the square root of both sides. The square root of 6.8 squared will cancel the squared and the square root to give us 6.8. And this will be equivalent to approximately the square root of 46. So this is our answer here. The square root of 46 is approximately 6.8.